I have some advice for you that you're probably going to be shocked to hear. It's probably something that you never thought about. And the vast majority of you watching this video right now are going to be taken by what I'm about to say. Did you know that unless you are already aware of this, that you have an enemy in your kitchen or in your laundry area? A potential enemy. And that enemy is one of your appliances. This particular enemy or potential enemy is your washer. Yes, I said it. Your washing machine. Now, if you are washing clothing, not only for yourself, but for your family, husband, wife, children, soiled underwear, okay? Especially soiled underwear, t-shirts, panties, drawers, socks contain millions of harmful bacteria. After you take them off, you throw them in your washing machine along with towels, washcloths, cleaning rags, jeans that you've been doing gardening in or out in work, sweating and so forth. All of the dirty clothes that you put in your washer, when it's washing, even though you put washing powder, washing pods, washing liquid in your washing machine, it's cleaning what? What it's doing, and I learned this a long time ago, it's an agitator. It moves back and forth. While there's water and there's a washing or a laundry detergent within, it's agitating, it's shaking the dirt out of your clothes. But where is it going? Into the water. It's not disappearing. The dirt and the bacteria is not disappearing, that is. It's still in the water. Now, listen to this. When your washer goes through a rinse cycle, usually has cold water rinse, sometimes hot water rinse, right? But do you think all of the bacteria is gone? No, it's still in your washer. After you take your clothing out, put it in the dryer, you're not killing all of the bacteria. And the washer that is empty now from that washing cycle contains the residue from the bacteria. And it sits for a while, increasing even more harmful bacteria. And then guess what? You're going to put the next load of clothing in that washing machine and repeat this, excuse me, no pun intended, the cycle all over again. And then you're going to have a rinse cycle. Some of the bacteria is still on your clothes. You're going to dry it. It's not going to be hot enough to kill the bacteria. So you're going to do what? You're going to put those clothing on. You're going to put some of those sheets on your bed. You're going to use those towels again. And then that bacteria is going to what? Enter your skin. It's going to absorb into your skin. And then it's going to cause you some health issues. So what is someone to do? First of all, if you have a wash and you're washing whites, of course, most people want to put bleach in there. The bleach does help. But when you're washing colored clothes specifically and you're not using bleach, stands the reason that you're going to have more bacteria present. And you're going to have the residue of bacteria inside the washer itself. So it is good ever so often to run your washing machine with no clothes in it whatsoever, with some bleach water to help sanitize the washer. Then you can start washing again. You decide how much you wash and how often you should actually clean out the washing machine on an empty cycle, as it were. Does this make sense to you? I hope it does, because it's true. So ladies and gentlemen, in conclusion, when you're washing your dirty clothes, note that I said dirty. Dirty means that there are harmful bacteria present. When you rinse your clothes out, there's still bacteria there. All right, it's increased the longer you keep that machine unsanitized. So, in between washing, you need to clean your washing machine out on a cycle where it's just water and bleach in there to kill that additional bacteria. And when you dry your clothing, you may want to turn the temperature up a little higher to kill some of the existing bacteria that could possibly still be present in and on your clothing. How about that? This is Brother Teacher. If you have any further questions on this particular subject or any other, you know what to do. Comment section below. So long.